Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Tailor brands versus Bizee or its other name, Inkfile. Which one is better? So let's get started. Inkfile is a popular LLC formation service that has been in business for over 15 years. The company offers a variety of formation services, including LLC formation, documents filing, registered agent services, and more. One of the main advantages of using Inkfile is its pricing. Their basic package starts at just $0 plus state fees, which makes it one of the most affordable options in the market. This package includes services such as business name availability, search preparation, and filing of articles of organization and compliance with state requirements. Another advantage is Inkfile's user-friendly website and online portal. The platform is easy to navigate and the entire LLC formation process can be completed online without any hassle. They also offer a personalized dashboard for each customer where they can access important business documents and track their order status. On the other hand, Tailor Brands is a relatively new player in the LLC formation market, but it has gained popularity quickly due to its unique approach. Unlike Inkfile, Tailor Brands offers a more comprehensive package that includes not only LLC formation but also branding services such as logo design and website creation. One of the main advantages of using Tailor Brand is its use of artificial intelligence or AI technology. The platform uses AI to create personalized branding for businesses, including logos, websites, and social media graphics. This can save entrepreneurs time and money in hiring separate designers for their branding needs. Another advantage of Tailor Brand is its affordable pricing. Their basic package starts at just $4.99 per month, and it includes not only LLC formation but also branding services. This makes it a great option for entrepreneurs which are looking for a one-stop shop for their business needs. The decision between Inkfile and Tailor Brands ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're starting a business and looking for affordable and comprehensive LLC formation services, Inkfile might be the right fit. Conversely, if your focus is only building a strong brand presence and you're willing to invest more over time, Tailor Brands could be a better choice. Overall, both Inkfile and Tailor Brands offer valuable services for LLC formation. Your choice should be guided by your specific business needs, budgets, and the level of support you require for building your brand. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.